I think Mr. Bora, see, the cause list has been changed. So perhaps your matter is not in this court now. It will be in the court of
maybe in the court
justice.
before. I'll check up.
Since I saw you, then you might miss that.
Yes, yes.
Good day.
Good day.
Kadi time? Jo kadi ni come down money.
Item 2 and Justice Bhattacharya.
No, 3, no, 2 is here, I believe.
The same matter is item 2 and Justice Bhattacharya.
Exactly, no, because you see what they do is the cost list could not be rescheduled. System will not accept. So once the cost list has been superseded, so they have just adjusted. Perhaps then it may cause some confusion to the lawyers. In fact, today I have only a few cases with me.
Lordship, item number 10. We're praying for time. You can't say. Because they are conducting counsel is out of station.
I was saying today I have very less cases. So if you don't take up matters, then
The conducting counsel is out of station. We pray for 2 weeks time.
you're for
Respondent.
respondent, and you'll be appearing for
Lordship,
the
I'm for the
appellant.
state. The state.
Then I'll hear your.
Lordship, the conducting counsel, I mean, we were informed that they'll be seeking time.
Like I said, if there are less matter, then we have to take up. If there are more, of course, accommodation can be given, so that of course, the court do think of the time and the time taken for cases to be. Who is appearing in this case?
Justice, Lordship, Sir Arguru.
Arboro. He is here.
He's here, Lordship.
We'll take it up. I will do one thing. The counsel for the respondent will be here.
Lordship.
I'll hear your part of the argument, and then we can next week we can hear them.
Lordship, I'll have to seek instructions from my senior.
Please do that.
I'll do that.
So we'll the matter will be called up. Once it's called up, then we'll.
Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 on behalf of respondent number 7.
He personally called me, Lordship. He's not keeping well. So any day next week, Lordship. Then Tuesday or
It's a part of matter.
yes, Lordship.
And like I just now I've remarked,
Yes, Lordship.
we have plenty of time today. Why should we?
And in fact, he also personally called me today saying that he's that respondent number 7. He's not keeping well for the last few days.
Who's for? You're for petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner.
I'll hear you.
Because since he's not here, then
Let him
Tuesday or
respond.
Tuesday or Wednesday.
Let him respond on next day.
Respondent number 7 is suffering from health issues, so maybe a
Who's
short
respondent seven?
date
Who's the
will be
counsel?
given.
B cream, Lordship. One cream.
And this matter has been heard. You see, this is the problem.
Yes, Lordship.
Part heard, and then it
True, Lordship.
keeps being
Here only
adjourned.
I want to refresh because it will take some time, Lordship, because I am referring some judgment. It will take some time. Otherwise, it's okay, no problem. Because it was hard 2021. Then I filed my comprehensive written submission.
You've heard. When you filed your written.
Comprehensive written argument. So we have relied some judgment. It will take.
We'll do one thing, Mr. Sheikh. In the meantime, you refresh the code.
Lordship, it can be accommodated Tuesday or Wednesday, no, any day, except Monday, Lordship. Because he personally called me also saying that last time also he was not present because of his ill health. So Tuesday or Wednesday, any day, Lordship, will ensure that on that day that matter will be heard.
Next week, what will be the what will be the constitution of the board?
Yes, any day, Lordship. I'm not praying for a specific date, Lordship. Any day.
On prayer made by the parties, this is matter of the 1 week.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
And daily cause list, item number 1.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we have just filed the rejoinder affidavit and supplied the copy of the rejoinder affidavit to the opposite counsel.
You have got.
Yes.
So we'll hear the matter.
Your Lordship, since I'm not prepared, just file the rejoinder. I'll if the Honorable Court may kindly fix it another date.
The letter counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the rejoinder to the counter affidavit filed by the respondent Union of India has been filed. Therefore, on pleadings being completed, it is submitted that this matter will now be posted for hearing. As prayed for, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
May it please Your Lordship. As per the last order, we were supposed to file a rejoinder affidavit, my lord. We have already filed a rejoinder. If this matter may be kindly be fixed for hearing, my lord.
All the respondents have filed their.
I have in respect of respondent number 6, I have received the rejoinder.
You have received.
Yes, Lord.
You have filed your counter.
I filed my counter.
Letter counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by all the respondents has been. Have you filed separate rejoinder?
Yes, my lord.
So you have done it.
Yes, my lord.
Kunutongo? Has been filed.
Oh.
Accordingly, on pleadings being completed, it is prayed that this matter may be posted for hearing. As prayed for, this is matter after 2 weeks. This is matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
Yes, Mr. Matter was called up.
Lordship, I'm sorry, my senior is in the other courtroom.
Who was the counsel for the respondent?
Mr. Khan, Nur Machinery.
Yes, he is not available, but I thought since we have the time, I will hear your part of the submission and then we can next date fix for their reply. Who is that? What's her name? So I couldn't get her name.
I don't know her name. The other side.
At least she can be here and to note down your submission.
Another date.
My lord will remember this is a matter where the accused herein was
Is it
without following chapter 18 of the CRPC, and abruptly on plea, by recording the statement of PW 1 and 2, the acquittal took place.
Okay.
So there is no provision as such. Even if after recording the statements of all the PWS, 313 has to be conducted. In this case, nothing was done of that sort, and hence the present appeal against acquittal. That is the case. Of course, even on plea of guilt, conviction or acquittal can be recorded, but 7 except those cases where the punishment is minor. But this is a case of 376 along with POXO.
376.
No serious. So any heinous offences, the High Courts of the entire.
No, let us look at 232. What does 232 says? Or 227. This is for after consideration of charge.
Yes. This is not a case of discharge, Your Honor.
232, of course, acquittal.
Which item going on there? 232, yes. If after taking evidence for the prosecution, examining the accused and hearing the prosecution and the defense on the point, the judge considers that there is no evidence that the accused committed the offence, the judge shall record an order of acquittal. Now, Your Honor, there are a number of PWS here. They were not examined. That apart, the medical report is there. That speaks otherwise, saying that the victim has suffered. And there is an eyewitness. All those were given a go-by in a hurried manner. The state is apprehensive that this is going to set a precedence. This is how it goes on. That is the only concern we have here.
If procedure is not followed, then
Yes. Now, I have got all the judgments of the High Court of the conscious decision of all the High Courts of the nation is that in serious offences, acquittal cannot be recorded under section 232. They have to exhaust the entire chapter till 313. That is my.
you are in this case, Mr. Prasadji?
No, there's some confusion at the list.
No.
I have made it clear today that the list has been redone. Some of the matters, since new judge has joined, some of the matters has been given over to him. But the course list per se could not be corrected because of the system. So the original courses remain, except those matters which this court would take up. That's very few. So the remaining of the matter is with the other court. If you have any matter before this court, I think because this will be the last one.
State is not a party. State appeal. So if this matter can come tomorrow or because other side is not here.
But I am told that Mr. Mansoor is not well.
Not well.
That was the prayer made.
End of the board here?
She has come. Only one respondent, isn't it?
Yes.
So, Miss, he will start the argument. You can note down. Then pass it on to your colleague. You're okay with that? Otherwise, have you also signed the Wakalnama? You should have been prepared then. At least you should know the facts of the case. I'm not insisting that if you're not confident to argue, it's okay. But facts you should know. Mr. Guru, you're ready?
I'm ready. If my humble request, Lordship, if this can come up with the order. I've got a pressing matter I have to attend to. End of the board.
End of the board? End of the board. This is the end of the board. Oh, I did it. Right. On pre-made by the parties. This is matter after 1 week.
Deploy, please.
Yes, I think. So I think today, yesterday and today there was that confusion. Perhaps by the next week, then the roster has been, changed. So we'll go according to that.